A number of bisque radiators can be ordered in bespoke, curved or angled options. Templating and ordering your radiator is very simple. You will need a roll of paper, tape measure, marker pen and scissors. Roll out the paper, making sure there is enough to fit across your bay window. Cut the paper off the roll. Place the sheet across the area. Push the paper up against the wall, tape if needed, then push into the crease between the wall and the floor. Draw on the crease to mark out the walls and corners of the bay window. Using the tape measure, measure the height that you would like your new radiator. Mark on the template the maximum length of the radiator. If there is a skirting board, measure its depth and write it on the template. Make sure you also write the model and colour that you would like your radiator, and mark on which side the wall is. Lightly fold the template. Be careful not to fold too tightly as this can stretch the paper. Take the template to your local dealer and they will send it off to be ordered. Now you can enjoy your beautiful, stylish radiator. For more information on our bespoke radiators, please visit our website.